Okay, our topic for today is taking body measurements, or how to take the body measurements and what are the parts to be measured in the feminine figure or in a model. So let us start from the shoulder. By the way, my name is Lorda Despadiladeras Manaco. I am a trainer in dressmaking and tailoring. So let us start from the shoulder. So just put the tip of the shoulder, from the tip of the shoulder, passing over the base of the neck up to the tip of the shoulder at the right part. Okay, so this is the shoulder. The next one is bust. Okay, so this is the bust, which is the fullest part. So let's put the tape measure around, passing over the base, passing over the fullest part of the bust. Just put your fingers under the tape measure and do not touch the bust. Okay, so this way. Just put 2 fingers under the bust. The next one is waistline. So we are measuring the circumferential measurement. So this is the bust and then followed by the waistline. So again, put 2 fingers under the tape measure. The next one is another circumferential measurement, the hips. The first hip is at least approximately 4 centimeters from the waistline downward. So this way. And your fingers or you should position at the sides of the model. And then the second hips, just put your finger under the tape measure, then this way. Okay. The next is another horizontal measurement, the bust distance. The distance between the 2 apex points. Okay. Next is the chest. Another horizontal measurement from arm crease to another arm crease. This way. So this is the chest part. Next is the vertical measurement. Let us start from the base of the neck downward. So this is the bust height. Okay? Do not remove your tape measure because we will measure the front figure up to the waistline. Okay, so this is your bust point and your figure or front length. Next is back length. From the base of the neck, passing over the full part of the back and up to the back waist. So this is the back length. Okay. So the next one is the armhole. Okay. So since this model is armless, so let's measure from the tip of the shoulder around the armhole. Okay, this way. Okay. So the next one is the hip length. Hip length is, we can measure it at the sides or at the back. So this is the back waist up to the hip or the fullest part of the hips. So this is the proper way and the right part to be measured in taking the body measurement to a model. So that's all. Thank you. Okay, so today we will lay out the pattern for blouse to the material. Okay, so before we lay out the pattern, we have to prepare first the fabric or the material. Let's check the wrong side and the right side of the material. So this is the wrong side and then this is the right side of the cloth or material. So let's flatten the cloth, selvage together, and the selvage should be towards the cutter. Okay, let's flatten the cloth. Then lay out first the biggest part or the largest part of the pattern of the blouse. So this is the blouse pattern. So this is the center form, and use the pins. This is the pins. Okay, so just put the pin first at the shoulder, then flatten the pattern downward, then put another pin on the opposite of the first location. This should be perpendicular to the edge of the pattern. The next one is in this part. Okay. The next is the opposite direction. In this part. Next is in here. Okay. And the last one is in this part. Okay, so this is now the front part of the pattern. The next one is the back part. So the back part is the folded, should be folded. So this is the folded cloth. So just put your back part here, then put the pin perpendicular to the cloth, then at the hemline, at the center back, next at the opposite side, perpendicular, in a perpendicular position away from the marking lines. You can also put pins here and in this part. Okay, so then next one is the sleeve. So this sleeve, this is the lengthwise of the fabric and this is the crosswise. So the sleeve should be laid out along the crosswise grain. So let's find the straight grain line along the hemline, then put the pin at the top. The next is on the hemline. Next is at the sides, both sides. Okay, so it's done. The next is our collar. So the collar is convertible, so this is folded. So we can put it here, but okay. So the collar is 2 pieces. Put the pins here and here. So okay, so this is now the proper layouting of blouse pattern on the material. So do not forget to check the lengthwise and the crosswise grain, the wrong side and the right side of the material. So this is the proper position of pins, the distances, and the arrangement of patterns. Thank you.